Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get the face tracking on Roblox. And how to use it. So, guys, what are the requirement you need to meet to get this face tracking? I'm gonna tell you in this video. Just follow me in this video till the end. And so, first of all, guys, to get this face tracking, you need to enable the voice chat if you haven't enabled yet. To enable it, you have to go to browser, or you can open the settings in app as well, and go to settings. And once you here in settings, we have to go to first of all, you have to verify your age if you haven't verified your age. Since I have already verified, so it has been faded. So you have to make sure that you verify your age. To verify your age, you need to upload your front and back side of the government issue ID, and also you need to upload the selfie of yourself. So you have to upload the selfie, and once you upload the selfie, the congratulation message will be appear, and in privacy this option will be added. Fine, this option will be updated. So this is a microphone input that's allow the Roblox to use your microphone, which helps you to track your voice. And so due to my location, one thing also missing here, which is of camera permissions. So it might get update after few days, but this microphone input also make sure that, or it also allows you to track your face, but you have to enable this. Once you enable this, you have to once you enable this now you have to go to in preview avatar. In avatar, you have to go to accessories or head and body, not accessories. And now you have to go to style. In style, guys, you have to first of all choose the dynamic face. So you can choose the dynamic face, and so I can give you the link of these dynamic faces or dynamic head you can use. So it is kind of a animated face. So if you select these faces, it start automating your face, and once you start giving the permission of microphone, it will sync with your voice in avatar. So let's see how it works. So once now after enabling the microphone, you have to select one of the head or one of the head from here. And once you select, guys, you have to go back to your game, and in game now you have to click on this Roblox icon and just enable these two options, face cam and the mic. Both should be enabled, and anytime you can disable it if you want, and you can enable it. So the red dot shows that your mic has been using. So once you select, guys, now you can see that it starts tracking your voice as well as your face. Make sure that you also enable the camera permission if there is. So due to my location, is the camera option is not visible. So it might be come in few days. So I have to wait, but you can see that it's working properly, working fine. So hope you like it. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.